Scalable Capital Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Scalable Capital are in the description below. Scalable Capital is a robo-advisor based in Europe, known for its smart technology and risk management strategies. It's designed for investors who want a hands-off investment approach, but still want their portfolios managed with precision. The platform is ideal for those seeking a tech-driven solution that combines modern portfolio management with personalized risk analysis. Features. Scalable Capital provides a unique risk-based investment approach, where portfolios are tailored to the user's risk profile, which is determined via a detailed questionnaire. The robo-advisor offers automated portfolio management, focusing on cost efficiency and diversification. It uses ETFs to create well-rounded portfolios, giving investors access to a variety of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. A standout feature of Scalable Capital is its dynamic risk management. This involves adjusting the risk exposure based on market conditions, helping reduce the impact of market volatility. Additionally, it provides a transparent fee structure that includes management fees and the cost of the ETFs, all clearly laid out. Strengths. Scalable Capital excels in risk management with its dynamic strategy, which is constantly monitored and adjusted. This is particularly beneficial for investors who want to mitigate risk without constantly managing their portfolio. The platform is also user-friendly, with a sleek interface that makes it easy to track performance and manage investments. The low fees and the option to start investing with a relatively low minimum balance make it accessible to a wide range of investors. It's especially attractive for those looking for a long-term investment strategy with minimal intervention. Weaknesses. On the downside, Scalable Capital's service might not be suitable for those looking for a highly personalized approach. While it uses advanced algorithms, some users might find the lack of human financial advice a limitation. The platform also doesn't offer as many investment customization options compared to other robo-advisors, which could be a deal-breaker for more advanced investors. Final verdict. Scalable Capital is an excellent choice for investors who prioritize automated risk management and low-cost investing. It's ideal for those who want a hands-off investment solution that adjusts based on market conditions, with transparency and ease of use. However, if you prefer more customization or human guidance, other platforms may be a better fit. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details.